Hello friends, myself Hamsavarthan, studying Mechanical Engineering second year at SNS College of Technology. Today I am going to talk about the company named BirdCare, which I took from Y Combinator. Y Combinator backed startup transformation, event welfare and research through Edge AI, computer vision and affordable sensors. This video-led platform delivers real-time monitoring, actionable alerts and scalable Atlantics for conservation, breeders and sanctuary and researchers. The problem with traditional bird care: reactive health checks, fragmented data, high labor costs. Care is often manual, problems only addressed after visible decline, increasing mortality risk. Observation recorded on a paper as spreadsheet, no continuous researches or data sets for trends or research. Skilled monitoring is expensive and doesn't scale for large sanctuaries or distributing breeding programs. Limited access research access, which researchers lacks consistency, unauthored video and data needed for their researches. Next, our solution: BMC Video AI powered bird monitoring platform. BMC Video combines low cost edge sensors, continuous video capture, and on device AI mode to detect behavior, health signals, and environmental hazards. Deliverably live alerts, daily summaries, research video clips, and export ready database for their science and care. Now, how it works: sensors, computer vision, and real time insights. Capture: continuous low power video captures tailoring to available light cycle. Edge AI on device models classify specific behaviors like under physiological markers. Sync and analysis: compressed metadata and snippets sync to cloud for deeper analytics team. Collaboration and research exports. Action: real time alerts via through a SMS, app push, or email for urgent care. Nextly, the Y Combinator journey from idea to investment. BMC Video joined YC refined product market fit with mentorship, demos, and rapid pilot programs. YC introduced strategic advisors, early adopter networks, and investor visibility, accelerating hires, manufacturing partners, and initial revenue channels within 9 months. Key milestone: product development timeline. Firstly, prototype. Month 1, initially sensor build and test. Secondly, alpha pilots. Month 3, pilot feedback and A/B test. Model optimization. Month 6, refine models and accuracy. YC acceptance. Month 9, accelerating onboarding. Each milestone aligned development sprints, regularity checks and pilot feedback loops, shorten and iteration time, and improving detection accuracy by measured A/B tests. Nextly, market opportunity and the target audience in India. Commercial breeders, affordable monitoring reduces mortality, improves breeding success, and provide documentary pedigrees. Conservation NGOs, continuous data for habitat monitoring, poaching alerts, and long-term behavioral studies across reserves. Research institutions, exportable annotated video, datasets, accelerated publications, and grantable front projects. Nextly, our unique selling proposition: accuracy, affordability, and scalability. Our combination of hardware, edge models, and tailoring workflows delivers measurable improvements in welfare and operational efficiency, validated in pilots across India and the US. Next, impact and future visions: enhancing conservation and research, global conservation, scientific conservation, and community conservation, which is our flow of hierarchy. In this, scale sensors across critical habitats to detect threats, monitoring migration, and measurable ecosystem response. Large annotated video can be captured, then affordable tools empower local streets, creates in the monitoring jobs. In this, our citizens can be helpful in the programs. Lastly, our QA questions: answering and development, the development, data privacy, steps, and pricing. Typically, our normal question will be it will be install under 2 hours per unit. Remote revision reduces on-site complexity. Then data privacy: local first processing minimizes video uploads, encrypted sync for research datasets, and configuration retention policies. Next, the steps will be pilot partnerships, custom integration, and scalable deployments. Let's schedule a site of assessment or module. So in this video, this is I referred about this company. Thank you.